Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 2nd till the 8th of March 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. So, the overall energy for Capricorn people regarding their love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. So we have Page of Pentacles, Justice, Knight of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Lovers. So Cappies, there is a sense of starting from the start, starting from the scratch. There is a sense of bringing the balance back in the situation or doing justice with something or someone. And then there's this energy of running away from what it should be or how it should be. Okay. Wow. Bottom of the deck is a lover. So there is a strong pull, a strong attraction, strong infatuation kind of energies towards something or someone. And definitely it's a love relationship reading. So yes, this is this kind of energy. There's a sense of starting from the scratch, but one of you is not ready to bring the justice or bring the balance back in the situation. They're continuously running away. They're like, nope, one of you wants to create a balanced kind of energy, the other person is like nope. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cappies. I think I said Cappies only. If I said Sagittarius, I'm really sorry. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cappies. We have the Queen of Swords, right? Someone here is feeling like a lot of detachment. They're not able to emotionally connect with this situation right now. There's a sense of revengeful energy, a little bit of revengeful energy, but there's a sense of being very detached and cold. Let's see. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here. We have the Five of Cups and the Eight of Wands and the Five of Wands. This is someone who is hurt beyond words. There is regret and or guilt. There is a sense of feeling like talking to you, clearing the air with you regarding something that is bothering them, regarding some kind of chaos or conflict or fight or issue that you guys had. So this person is feeling like until and unless they are going to be at peace, they are hurt, they are very hurt, and they are going to hurt everyone around them. So they feel like hurting everyone around them, especially you. Not in the way that they want to kill you or something, but this person is feeling like if I am hurt and somebody is not like caring about it, I feel like I should hurt that somebody for sure, because this is how it should go. So hurt people. So that's because they're hurt beyond words. They feel like talking to you, clearing the air with you, and coming towards you with a very sharp edged kind of sharp edgy kind of energy, like this is what it is, and I don't give a fuck anymore. Little bit of angry, pissed off energy. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? The Magician, from your side, you feel like manifesting something here. Maybe not manipulation, but you definitely feel like manifesting something here in this situation. Let's clarify the Magician as your feelings. So we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Devil. You guys are feeling like slowly but surely things will start moving forward. You guys are feeling like manifesting this energy, this you can say gift from the universe's side, where slowly but surely things are moving in your favor, and the toxicity, the negativity, the unhealthy kind of energies are out of this dynamics, out of this situation. For very few of you, you feel like making this person obsessed with you. Very few of you. Magician and the Devil together represents the manipulation of energies, making something or someone obsessed, or at least having the wish or desire to. But for most of you, you guys feel like manifesting this energy and this gift and this strength to slowly but surely make this situation go in your favor, and removing the unhealthy patterns and attachments from the situation for good. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? World card. This person wants to end some kind of cycle here, and some kind of painful cycle here, because they can't handle the pain anymore, they can't handle the stress of the situation anymore. So they definitely want to end one cycle of this, and this painful cycle. Let's clarify the world as their intentions. We have the King of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and yeah, this person wants to heal the situation between you and them. And before healing the situation, before bringing the situation back to the loving, nurturing, and caring kind of energy that it is supposed to be, they definitely want to end some kind of painful cycle here between you and them by talking it out with you. So they are ready to heal the situation. They want to heal the situation, and they want to, bring the situation back to life in a very beautiful and meaningful kind of dynamics, as it's supposed to be and it used to be. So something happened here. You guys had a fight or argument or conflicts, and that is still bothering them. So they want to end those conflicts, and they want to, bring the situation back to love. Let's make love, not war kind of energy. Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side. Cappies, we have the Page of Pentacles. You want to start this situation from scratch all over again, but this time with a lot of practicality, with a lot of maturity, and with the sense of bringing the stability back to the situation. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as your intentions. We have the Queen of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles. Yes, you want to look unbothered. You want to feel unbothered by the on and off, in and out, and confusion kind of energy that this situation is bringing in your life, and you want to hold on to this energy of starting from the start. Okay, you don't want to lose your hope in this situation, and you don't want to look bothered. You want to look confident. You want to make the situation look like, okay, I'm here to resolve the issues, I am here to bring the solution, I'm here to bring the practicality in the situation. But you don't want to look weak or vulnerable. You don't want to look like a fool here. Okay, if this is making any sense to you, you want to bring the peace back in the situation. You want to look confident, and you definitely want to hold on to this situation and make it work out with a stable and mature kind of brand new start, even if from inside you guys are having a lot of questions and a lot of fears and insecurities. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome here till the 8th of March, Cappies. Queen of Pentacles, okay. It's like a lot of stability coming in, a lot of compassionate and loving kind of energies being presented in the situation, mostly from your side, Capricorn. This is your sign only, earth sign energy. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles as a potential outcome. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Justice, and the High Priestess. Yes, somebody is going to offer this energy of let's make peace. Let's not fight anymore. Let's start from the start. Let's start from the scratch. Let's bring the justice in the situation, and let's not talk about whatever happened. I don't know how you guys are going to bring the justice and the balance back in the situation by not talking to each other about it, about whatever happened. But somebody here is trying to be as fair, as much in balance as they can from their side. Mostly you are going ahead with a peace offer towards someone, and you guys are definitely in this energy of let's make peace. Let's bring the peace back together in the situation, and let's do justice with each other by not talking about the shit that happened. I don't know how it is going to work, but this is how it is showing me. So a peace offer, an offer of bringing the justice, bringing the balance back in the situation by starting from the scratch in a very mature and grounded kind of a way, but not talking about the past anymore. The guidance here, the Hierophant, the World card, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, it's going to take a lot of maturity to end some kind of cycle that needed to be completed, that needed to be end uh, in a very very mature way, in a very very grounded way. Because if both of you are going to be in ego, if both of you are going to be in this hurtful energy of why should I do that, why should I do that, then you guys will not be able to end this chapter or end this painful cycle. At least one of you have to, be the bigger person here and bring a painful situation to an end. Then only this brand new beginning, this potential starting or restarting of this chapter is possible between you guys. So if you guys are going to be continuously in this war mode or hatred mode, and none of you is going to be in this energy of okay, let's be a bigger person and let's do something about it, then this make peace not war is not going to happen. And I think you are going to be the bigger person here, you are going to be the icebreaker here. Hmm? So that's the guidance. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, Capricorn. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no need to worry. Okay, you might be worrying too much about the outcome, right? Often there are situations that we fret and worry about, even when they are out of our control. These situations can keep us up at night. The no need to worry card lets you know that even if things seem dark, a resolution and an ease will come. Hmm? Worry will not improve anything, and dawn is just around the corner. So this is what I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, Capricorn. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.